Just kidding. Hi guys, I just wanted to show these because I got them for my mom. She's really been helping me out with a lot of stuff with my house and everything. I just wanted to get this for her for Christmas, and I'm probably gonna get my dad the red pair instead of this burgundy pair because these are the women's flip-flops. Flip-flops, these are the women's slides. They don't sell the men's slides in like sizes smaller than 8 or something, like size 8, like in men's, and that's like a size 10 in women's. It's a size 7. But yeah, I bought these at the North Park Mall, Dallas North Park Mall, and then they actually didn't have this burgundy one inside the store, so I had it shipped from Beverly Hills or something, or they had to ship it from Beverly Hills. The Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive Run. But yeah, this is the shoebox. This is the size and everything. But yeah, let's open it. Here is the receipt. I just don't want to show off the information, but it comes with the authenticity card. It's like taped, and then like this this tag, like it's the NFC tag that proves it's what's it called? Not NFC, it's RFID identifying tags, and like to verify the authenticity. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It comes inside like all this authentic stuff. And then it also comes with a Versace dusk bag. Feels like denim. This drawstring. Feels like, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, a drawstring is pretty nice. But here are the actual flip-flops. When you open it, it smells like nail polish or nail polish remover or something. But yeah, like how? Look at the. Is it focusing? It's focusing. You can see the it's like a gold plated thing, but I don't think it's actual gold. I think it's just like gold plated. But the guy said it's not a pool slide. It's like a house slide. I don't know what he said. But yeah, the pool slides don't have this metal on it, or it will like tarnish. But yeah, wow. And there's like a bunch of little designs, like a bunch of little designs on the. See that? And the bottom. Like, I'm thinking about putting it in like Play-Doh or something to imprint it, and then like trying to model another shoe, make another shoe out of like the imprint, because this is actually really cool. It's really well designed. But the total was like $395. It says Versace right here. It doesn't say it on the side like other Versace slides. That's it. Everything that it comes with: these flip-flops, this authenticity card, and the dust bag. I might film like a reaction when I give this to my mom and the other pair to my dad. But yeah, it's gonna be during Christmas. Give it to them for Christmas. Thanks for watching. If you wanna check out my hat, It's from our website, xjwonderland.com. Go check that out too.